Never just say, I need to do this, 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 I need to do this. And here is why. Hey, I'm Mary. I'm popping in here just to explain what we're looking at today. This is one of the KindEdge steps that we do in the full suite of KindEdge steps. And it's going to unlock the alternate ending to your life. If you know that there is something else that you were meant to be doing here in this lifetime, you deserve a chance at actually doing it. So we're going to take a sneak peek at one of the KindEdge steps, just starting at the 30,000 foot level to get rock hard clarity on your goals. And then as we continue through the program, it's a system that lives with you. It's a project. And we get into the nitty gritty of everything that's either holding you back from achieving your goals or the clarity that you need on the exact actions. This isn't guru inspo of rah, rah, I'm going to achieve my dream. This is, but what exactly do I do if I only have 15 minutes on Monday to get this started? And everything else on Monday keeps pulling me in other directions. This is the KindEdge project of you, because you don't want to waste one more life minute. So work with these steps. We're going to give you a little sneak peek, and you can really look at how we turn the different life that you know that you've been craving into a stupid, easy series of doable actions to get your dream in motion. So join me at kindedge.com to unlock the alternate ending to your life. Peace. That row to your project plan. But we may have learned in the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you may have learned that before you do that, you need to talk to one of your trusted advisors to find out anything else that you might need to consider. And you might also need to ask one of your trusted advisors who they could point you to, who knows a little bit more about organizational leadership, HR strategy, about human capital strategy, about what would your organizational leadership and what would your organization's HR department want to hear from you, so that they understand you're still loyal, you're still high value, you're still a valued contributor when you make this request. So you want to refine that step. So before you just take the action with your company to ask for this schedule change, you are going to add in the project plan as an earlier priority and a sort order higher, that you first need to get advice on this to refine that. So that's just all you're doing. You're getting really concrete, and things are going to have dates and times. So there you go. Let's see here. I will pull out the example of the next tab. You'll see a tab at the bottom. There'll be a tab at the bottom. And the second tab is the project management work plan. So of the project of you. On that second tab is this, and it's a full grid spreadsheet. It is a full grid spreadsheet. And this spreadsheet has a column for status, and this has a target date. Now, in my approach, you might do this differently, but in my approach, I set a target date, but not a deadline.